where do I start for you, buddy? It's really difficult. From the very first day at AppD, you have been around, and I can't thank you enough for being such a great colleague and a great friend. Thanks for helping in developing this business. Your contribution is invaluable, and thanks for building up this great team and a great culture. And we are going to miss you big time, buddy. I really take a lot of pride in calling it out that Madhu is part of the GSI team and really, really fortunate to work along with you.
When I first joined the team 3 or 4 years ago, my only really interactions was with you and Naveen. I saw you guys as the brains, as well as the heart and soul of the whole operation. And then when you started to build your own team over in India, I was like, well, damn, he's like Nick Fury. You're putting together a team of superheroes that just kicks ass everywhere you go. And to be honest, look good while doing it. I'm not gonna lie, every time I saw you, I was like, damn, Madhu, you should be you look like you should be an action hero. You know, putting on sunglasses while you walk away from this massive explosion. And I don't know if you know this, but you will forever be engraved in my phone as per the design of autocorrect as my dude.
One thing I will always remember is having played a cricket match with you, wherein your shots and your sixes over the mid wicket thoroughly impressed me. This is one thing in cricket I have always struggled with.
You are an inspirational leader and a great mentor, not only to our SC team, to all of us. The kind of strong pillars you have created within our SC team and the way they keep on surprising our partners and customers in every discussion is truly commendable. Only you could have done that. You have been a great guidance for me in last 2 years of my career within AppDynamics.
It's been a great ride with you in AppDynamics. I still remember meeting you the first day at your place when I joined AppDynamics, and from there our journey had started, taking those webinars and 100 plus attendees coming in and you addressing close to 50 plus queries in kind of like 5 minutes, kind of a rapid fire round. And no one does that to my knowledge, and it is really hard to match that kind of experience in terms of instantly addressing the queries to the people, and along with that your business acumen guiding me in terms of how to take this in the interest of business, either be the practice development or either be an opportunity approach. We will miss that big time, and apart from that, yes, obviously your aura will be missed. We will miss your company a lot, and the contribution from your end both on the professional and personal front is a big loss for us, but for good of you, we all wholeheartedly wish very good luck for your future endeavors, and obviously wherever you're going, they are the lucky ones and the fortunate ones.
A pleasure knowing you as a colleague and a person from last 6 months. Though we have worked only for 6 months, but I think it feels much longer just because of the great energy that you bring in.
It was a pleasure working with you, and it was an awesome experience, and I've gained an amazing friend in you. I don't know how time flies, but it's been 5 years. Can't believe it. I'm also glad that we were part of the same journey. We joined just around this 1 year difference when AppDynamics was still a small, setup in India. We were still a startup mode, and there to here today, we have seen business grow. We have seen how this has evolved, and pretty proud of your contributions up in the evolution of the sales engineering practice in India. The way you've actually carved this, low touch, no touch. I've learned a lot over the time. I've seen how you've actually mastered the art of making, pre-sales more palatable to partners. So, where they actually see the business angle of it, they just don't get lost in the hardwiring of the whole software. So, amazing learning for me.
you know you are a rock star. You are a king of this kingdom called Embed. But beyond all that, you are one of the few dependable human beings that I've seen, who you can call up in the middle of the night for any kind of help, right? So, you're one of the reasons why I'm in AppD. Thank you, man. Thank you for everything. Thank you for those late night calls. Thank you for those, hey, can I get on your WebEx? Can I help you? Type of conversations. You're an amazing team player and a great human being.
It's been such an amazing journey working with you over the past 9-10 months. You made me realize the difference between work-life integration and work-life balance. It wasn't actually just work. It was fun. It was fun. It was learning. Honestly, in this uncertain COVID times, I couldn't have asked for a much better leader than you. You truly exemplified the difference between a leader and a boss. I'm really gonna miss all the one-on-ones, the random video calls, the sharing of the different things we were having over the weekend, the different items we cooked, and the list just I cannot go. I mean, it's not a short list, and I'm gonna truly miss all that. And the guidance that you provided on the career path, whether there are smaller nuances that you could focus on, I could just go on. Thank you so much. You've taught me at least a lot in the last 9 to 10 months that I've worked with you. And thank you so much for all that. I'm especially gonna miss someone who understands truly what L4, L5 back pain means.
I am sure by now you know how much we all will miss you. It's very unfair of leaving us between, half, the midway of a physical year. Not fair. But honestly, you are the finest leader that I have worked with. The way you inspired us, the way you carved the beautiful things out of us, it's outstanding. It simply can't be put into words. I was thinking a lot about how do I compliment you, and the only, the synonym that I can come up with is umbrella. That's what I have felt, at least about you. I don't need to explain it.
Hope we are able to catch up soon. And for me, the API doesn't stand for Kondapi, but it's IPA. So waiting to celebrate the success and all your achievements at FD, and good luck for your new venture. Take care, buddy.
Good luck, man. Have a great life. I know you're going to be a great professional. So have a wonderful life, man. Take care.
I want to wish you good luck for your future, and I'm sure wherever you go, you will do wonders. Stay in touch.
Know that you will kick ass everywhere you go. So all the best. It was one hell of a ride.
I wish you a very good success and career growth.
Good luck and goodbye till we meet again.
Wish you all the best for your new role.
Wish you all the best for your future. I'm sure you're gonna do extremely well there.
This one's for you. बीच राह में दिलवर बिछड़ जाए कहीं हम अगर, और सुनी सी लगे तुम्हें जीवन की ये डगर, हम लौट आएंगे तुम यूं ही बुलाते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना.